No. Come on, buddy. Frank. Swing it around. Come on. Oh my God! This is Frank. Sit. Swing.
Oh my goodness, nice swing, dude.
What's the matter with you?
Oh, I hate that sign. She psyched us out.
No, you psyched yourself out.
Come on, bud.
Oh my goodness.
Lordy B. Oh. The whole course is just crap now.
No, actually, you're doing pretty good. -10.
What?
You turn left instead of right. Follow the arrow.
Where?
Right there.
U-turn.
To the left.
You need to go left.
Follow the arrow.
There you go.
No, he's happy. His tail's wet.
Down?
-10.
Gotta sit first.
Oh, sit. Down. Yeah, this is a yo-yo game. Stay.
I'm posting this. You posted it. I
Yeah.
want you to post it.
You think you're as funny as we do. And this way now. Yeah. Hate that sign, don't you?
He goes, no, it's all good for me.
Good job.
He is doing good.
No? Come on. There you go. Heel. Down. Good job. Heel.
It's not the double around. No, but she did it. I mean, that was like, yeah.
Good. Heel. Good. Heel.
I think the less she thinks about it, the better off she is.
Come on. Good. Heel.
Good job.